Morning friends, good day wherever you might be, whatever time you might be watching this video. So, good day. And my name is Jazz and I welcome you to join me on this journey called data science, where the destination will be you becoming a data scientist. Okay, so without much ado, I want to cut right to the stuff, pushing aside all the fluff. Okay, so whenever something is given to us, what is our first question? What is it? Okay, whenever we approach something new, whenever we hear something new, what is that? That's our question. So let's find out. Data science. What is data science? Okay, let's approach it like a layman, because I'm a layman and you're a layman, so we are walking this journey together, assuming no previous knowledge. Okay, so data and science. We all know what these individual words mean, but let's look at them deeply. So data is just information. It could be structured, it could be unstructured, it could have unwanted information in it, it could have a tiny speck of required information and a lot of fluff around it. Okay, so data is information. So let's keep data on one side and look at science. We all have studied science, okay? Maybe home science, maybe rocket science, or maybe any science, okay? Science is a deep study of anything, any discipline, okay? So what is a deep study? We collect information, we arrange the information, we segregate it, clean it, study it, and analyze it, come to a conclusion and predict how things could be, or why things have been this way and what could be changed, or getting into the essence of it and completely thoroughly studying it. Okay, finding out all the whats and whys and whens and wheres and everything else. Now that's the deep study. So basically, and why do we study? We have an aim. We just study it and then leave it? No. We are studying it with a purpose. We want to find out something, and we want to apply that finding to some scenarios to bring out certain outcomes. So that is what data science is all about. As a data scientist, you're like a doctor. The patient comes to you and gives you symptoms. You observe the symptoms, you analyze the symptoms, and then you want to find out something more. So you send him for a blood test, and you study the blood report. Then you prescribe some medicines, and then you call him after 15 days. And then you alter the medication. Then you do another blood test. Then you come to a conclusion. Then you give him a suggestion of a lifestyle change, a food style change. So if you continue this way, this is what is going to happen to you 15 years down the line. This is what is going to happen to you 5 months down the line. But if you make these changes, this is how you can avoid this disease. Or this is nothing to worry about. You're perfectly all right, and this is just a passing flu or something. You don't have COVID, something like that. So you are the doctor, you are the lab technician, you are the pharmacist. So you need to collect the data. You need to clean the data, format it, make it structured or unstructured, whatever you want to do with it, readable. Then you train your machine, and then you apply all your analytical concepts to it and teach your machine what to do so that it gives you a meaningful output. So for me to become a data scientist, what are my tools? What are my equipment? What do I need to carry in my bag to start my journey? Okay, you need to have statistics, knowledge of statistics, mathematics. You need to have some programming knowledge, and you need to have domain knowledge. Okay, so you can start with statistics. Folks, thank you for watching. I believe you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And the next the next video that I'm going to do about is statistics and mathematics that's needed for data science. Okay, so if you want to join me on this journey, please subscribe to this channel so that whenever I release a video, you will be notified and we could catch up and just move along together. So this is going to be simple, systematic, step by step, and if you watch my videos from the beginning till the end, you will have a complete idea of what data science is and how to go about it, because I will solve some problems and I'm going to struggle with you on screen and show you what are the challenges, how I'm going to look it up on different help platforms, maybe Stack Overflow, if I get stuck up with Python, where I Google it, or I go to Kaggle and look at an already solved data set, or contact a personal friend, and then how a new data scientist would struggle in his real life and what challenges he might face. So I'm going to replicate everything for you so that when you are really in the field, you wouldn't say, I haven't been through this before. You would confidently say that I have been through this, I have solved problems, I have solved real life problems, and I know how it's done. And when you attend your interviews, you are going to be relaxed and confident, and you're going to win the battle. Alrighty, so don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you like. And if you do not like something, and if you did not understand something, you can feel free to comment so that I can make it better, because this whole thing is to help you and it needs to take you where you intend to go. Alrighty, so signing off, Jess. See you next Thursday with the initial concepts of mathematics and statistics. And though it could be just mathematics and statistics, I could still pull up a real life problem and show you where exactly, while solving the problem, this concept comes across, so that it can be relevant and you will know where exactly and when exactly this concept is going to come into play. Alrighty, so have a nice day and thanks for watching. Bye.